V-Benlam Portable Camping Kitchen. The V-Benlam Portable Camping Kitchen is an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing home cooking convenience. This compact and versatile cooking station is designed for camping, picnics, and outdoor events and features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame for storage and durability. Its foldable design allows it to be easily transported with a carrying bag included. The kitchen includes a windscreen to keep your stove hot in windy conditions, as well as a detachable cutting board made of food-grade plastic to prepare food on the go. With its ample cooking capacity, this portable camping kitchen makes it easy to prepare delicious meals outdoors without any hassle or mess. Perfect for those who love nature but don't want to sacrifice the counter space and storage of a home kitchen. Fineflame Camping Stove. The Fineflame Camping Stove is a reliable, efficient, and portable cooking solution that can be used on all outdoor adventures. This stove is perfect for camping, backpacking, picnics, and more. It is constructed from durable stainless steel and aluminum components, allowing it to withstand the heat of high-temperature cooking. The stove has a powerful output of up to 10,000 BTUs and comes equipped with an adjustable control valve, which allows users to easily adjust the flame strength and temperature. It also includes a built-in windscreen, which helps protect the flame from the elements. This stove is lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for those looking for an easy way to cook their favorite meals while out in nature. In addition to its practical features, this camping stove also offers great convenience. It comes with a durable carrying case, so it can be taken anywhere with ease. Additionally, its compact design ensures that it takes up minimal space during storage or travel. The Fineflame Camping Stove is designed with convenience in mind and provides users with an effortless cooking experience when they are out in the wild. PC Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensils. The PC Grilling and Camping Cooking Utensils set is the perfect companion for any outdoor kitchen. Made from durable stainless steel, these utensils are designed to withstand high temperatures and are easy to clean. The set includes a spatula, tongs, a fork, a basting brush, and a convenient carrying case, so you can take your tools with you on the go. The tongs and fork both have serrated edges to firmly grip food while cooking or serving, and the spatula features a bottle opener for added convenience. The basting brush has an extra durable silicone head and is easy to clean once you finish grilling. All of these items come with their own nylon carry case, so you can store everything away neatly when not in use. This camping cooking utensil set is perfect for barbecues, picnics, camping trips, beach days, or backyard cookouts. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to move around or take with you on the go. The durable stainless steel construction ensures that your utensils will last through multiple uses, making them ideal for frequent outdoor chefs. Not only do they look great outdoors, but they also work well indoors too. So if you're looking for a set of quality kitchen utensils that can handle both indoor and outdoor use, then this is the one for you. Wheelers Camping Cookware Set. The Wheelers Camping Cookware Set is perfect for adventurers who like to cook outdoors. This comprehensive and versatile cookware set includes a pot, pan, 2 bowls, 2 cups, 2 spoons, 2 forks, and a carrying bag. Everything you need to cook on your camping trip is included in this one convenient package. The pot and pan are made from hard anodized aluminum making them portable and easy to clean. The foldable handle allows for easy storage and transportation when not in use. Plus, you don't have to worry about taking up too much space. The whole set weighs only 1.5 pounds. The bowls, cups and utensils are all made of food-grade BPA-free plastic or stainless steel for added durability and convenience. The carry bag is constructed from nylon, which is also easy to clean and maintain. Foss Jago Dish Basin Collapsible with Drain Plug. The Foss Jago Dish Basin Collapsible with Drain Plug is the perfect camping and outdoor companion, designed to make your dishwashing and cleanup easier than ever. Constructed with durable BPA-free and food-grade plastic material, this collapsible basin can withstand high temperatures and heavy use for reliable cleaning and washing. The large size of the basin makes it perfect for holding multiple dishes, utensils, or cups at once. Additionally, an integrated handle provides easy carrying capabilities, while a built-in drain plug allows for convenient draining and cleaning. For easy storage and transportation, the Foss Jago Dish Basin Collapsible with Drain Plug can collapse in on itself when not in use. A carry bag is included with the purchase to make it even more portable, meaning you'll never have to worry about leaving home without your dishwasher again. This foldable dish basin is perfect for washing dishes, fruits or vegetables on the go and can be used in a variety of scenarios, from camping trips to day hikes to beach days. Stanley Camp Pour Over Set. The Stanley Camp Pour Over Set is the perfect solution for those looking to enjoy a hot cup of coffee while camping, hiking, or doing any outdoor activity. This set includes everything you need: a durable stainless steel pour-over cone, a double-wall stainless steel mug, and a carrying bag. The pour-over cone is designed to fit on top of the mug and is compatible with most coffee filters. The mug has a 16-ounce capacity, and its double-wall stainless steel construction keeps your coffee hot for hours. The bag is made from durable nylon, and it can store both the cone and the mug when not in use. Using the Stanley Camp Pour Over Set is easy. Simply add your favorite ground coffee to the cone, then pour hot water over the top to begin brewing. Once finished brewing, you can enjoy your freshly made cup of coffee anywhere. Whether you're out camping or just sitting around in your backyard, this set is sure to provide you with delicious cups of joe every time. Plus, its compact design makes it perfect for carrying on any outdoor adventure. Igloo BMX 52 Quart Cooler. The Igloo BMX 52 Quart Cooler is the perfect way to keep your food and drinks cold for extended periods of time during outdoor activities. This heavy-duty cooler is built to last, featuring a robust, rotor-molded construction that is virtually indestructible, and an ultra-therm insulation in the body and lid that helps provide excellent thermal retention. It is capable of keeping ice for up to 5 days and has a large capacity that can hold up to 84 cans or various items. The cooler features several convenient features, including a built-in fish ruler on the lid, tie-down points to secure the cooler during transport, reinforced swing-up handles with tie-down points, dual locking system, and non-skid feet. The Igloo BMX 52 Quart Cooler is ideal for camping trips, fishing expeditions, hunting trips, tailgating parties, backyard barbecues, and other outdoor activities. The rugged design of the Igloo BMX cooler makes it tough enough to handle even the toughest terrain. Whether you're taking it out on the lake or trailering it around town for a tailgate party, this cooler will ensure your food and drinks stay cold for hours at a time. Plus, its sleek design makes it easy to store and carry when not in use, making it an essential piece of gear for all outdoor enthusiasts.